Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rolling TV stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the adjustable mobile TV stand with storage shelves and heavy-duty base. Yahitech adjustable mobile stand looks okay in the home, health center, office, lecture room, workshop, class, lobby, and many various other areas. It's a simple yet versatile item and placing a TV on it is likewise easy. You require little skills and you likewise get useful directions inside the pack. It will take you a very short time. Moreover, it holds the TV firmly to stop it from moving or toppling over. This is courtesy of the good layout as well as the good weight distribution and balance. It's compatible with many VISA patterns, hence works with a wide range of flat TVs. The heavy-duty base boosts its stability, whereas the height works okay in many situations. Similar to most choices in this review, this unit comes with 4 relocating wheels. For that reason, it will certainly be simple to place it in different settings. Also, you can move the TV vertically as well as horizontally. It comprises a robust steel frame and will handle a maximum weight of 100 pounds. Furthermore, it's okay for TVs with a dimension of 32 to 65 inches. And to handle various other accessories like remote controls, DVD players, video game consoles, or streaming gadgets, it includes a storage shelf. It comes in black color and looks great in any decor. And thanks to the smooth texture, cleaning and wiping the unit shouldn't be hard. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LCD LED plasma flat panel stand with wheels with the best rolling TV stand for flat screen like the Vivo Cart. Watching and managing a television becomes easier. You can quickly change the height, position, as well as angle too. It's a flexible item and suitable for homes, offices, workshops, class, expo, hospitals, bars, lecture halls, hotels, and also fitness center, to name a few locations. It's a solidly constructed piece that will manage approximately 110 pounds. Moreover, it works with plasma, LED as well as LCD TVs. The small dimension it handles is 37 inches whereas the largest is 70 inches. The height is adjustable from 15 to 20 inches off the floor. It's a well-crafted and also durable and will withstand everyday use. The materials, which include steel, will not likely to warp or break. The stand supports 200 by 200 mm, 300 by 300 mm, 400 by 200 mm, 400 by 400 mm, or 600 by 400 mm VISA pattern. And to ensure it maintains its excellent looks and also doesn't rust, discolor or corrode, the stand has a powder coating. It's additionally simple to wipe off dirt and dust and additionally looks stylish. Like other alternatives in this review checklist, the device moves from location to another easily. This is owing to the 4 rolling wheels. They are safe for any flooring surface and won't leave behind stains or marks behind. Likewise, the stand doesn't release lots of noise during movement. At number 3, we have the mobile TV stand with wheels. This is another versatile rolling TV stand. It's appropriate for LED, LCD, and plasma flat television. It sustains devices measuring from 32 to approximately 65 inches. Also, the unit will handle a maximum load of 100 pounds. Placing the TV in the device is extremely straightforward and very easy. This is due to a universal standard. It stays in the exact position to prevent moving or wobbling. The stand itself is sturdy, is made from steel, and is durable as well. This assures you of longevity and decent performance. The universal VISA standards work with 100 by 100 mm up to 600 by 400 mm VISA patterns. You can easily adjust the height from 40.5 up to 60.2 inches. It remains firm in the chosen location. And to minimize clutter and improve neatness and organization. The item has a good wire management system. Moreover, the adjustable audio-video shelf improves its functionality. We enjoy the smooth finish, which makes cleansing and also wiping it easy. Moreover, it has good wheels that quickly move on different surfaces. They don't generate excessive noise and likewise do not leave any type of markings. Besides, they are tough and will not come off. Taking care of the stand is pretty easy. At number 2, we have the Mobile TV Cart Universal Flat Screen Rolling TV Stand. Yahitech as a decent piece that blends nicely with various surroundings. It's also simple to move about with thanks to the design as well as the lightweight. It will support flat televisions, including plasma, LED, OLED, and also LCD. The item works fairly well with units with dimensions 32 to 70 inches. And also owing to its adaptable nature, it's really easy to install a TV. The stand consists of a strong steel structure that will support up to 110 pounds. Also, it has a nice powder layer to enhance the appearances as well as simplify cleanup. It's compatible with 200x200 to 600 by 400 mm VESA standards. The pillar height is adjustable from 43.3 - 63 inches. And for better viewing, it has an adjustable angle of plus or minus 15 degrees. It features rolling wheels for hassle-free movement of the TV. We love the smooth operating wheels, which also don't leave any marks. This makes certain the surface areas stay clean. The stand remains firm thanks to the lockable wheels. You likewise get a rack for placing points like DVD player, game consoles, and also remote control. It's lightweight and weighs just 11 pounds. And with its black finish, it blends well with the other things as well as the surrounding. And finally at number 1, we have the TV stand with wheels for LCD LED OLED plasma flat panel NB North Bayou Cart comes handy in many situations. These consist of the home, hospital, workplace, lecture halls, seminar area, class, as well as many other areas. It's a sturdy piece comprising solid engineering and does an impressive job. Placing a flat TV is easy and practical. You need very little skills and also you get useful directions inside the pack. Moreover, it holds the TV steadily to avoid it from moving or perhaps dropping the TV. It's designed for TVs weighing up to 100 pounds. Furthermore, it is okay for TV sizes 32 to 65 inches. The functional installing style in addition to a variety of VESA, 600 by 400 mm, 400 by 400 mm, or 400 by 200 mm, 300 by 300 mm, 200 by 200 mm, 100 by 100 mm, patterns suit many TVs out there. Similar to most choices in this review, it features 4 moving wheels. For that reason, it will be simple to move to different locations. The casters are lockable and this improves stability. You can adjust it vertically as well as horizontally. It comprises tough steel built that put up with the routine use, movements, and more. The trolley cart has an adjustable height ranging from 40.5 to 60.2 inches. You also get a nice wires management system to conceal the cables and improve the organization and neatness. In addition, the unit features an easy-to-adjust video tray and audio-video shelf. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.